Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to make a spreadsheet available offline in Google Drive. This feature is incredibly useful when you find yourself without an internet connection, but still need to access important documents. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account that contains the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once you're in, navigate through your files until you locate the specific spreadsheet you wish to make available offline. Next, look for the three dots next to the spreadsheet file. This icon represents more options. Click on it to reveal a menu of actions you can take with this file. Among these options, you will see one labeled Available Offline. Clicking on Available Offline will initiate the process of making your spreadsheet accessible without an internet connection. Once selected, a checkmark will appear next to this option, indicating that your file is now set for offline use. Now, what does this mean for you? With the spreadsheet available offline, you can view and edit it anytime, anywhere, even when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. The changes you make will be saved locally on your device and will automatically sync back to Google Drive once your internet connection is restored. It's important to note that before using this feature, ensure that you have enabled offline access in your Google Drive settings. This is usually done by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of Google Drive and checking the box that allows for offline editing of your recent files. In summary, making a spreadsheet available offline in Google Drive is a straightforward process that enhances your productivity on the go. Just remember to open Google Drive, find your file, click on those three dots, and select Available Offline. Now you're ready to work seamlessly without any interruptions. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive effectively.